Hello, traders. 1 2 1 2 testing. How are you guys? 1 2 1 1 2 3 4. Wait. Alright, 1 2 3 4 5 y 6. All right, traders, how are you? How's everybody doing? If you want to chat, just subscribe to the channel. That's simple. Just subscribe to the channel. It's free. Just hit the subscribe button in order to chat with me. Hi, team. How are you, sir? All right, so I'm running these two trades, long on the S&P 500 and long on the Dow. The S&P 500 long is a swing trade with the swing trading group right here. Pretty simple. All the way up here. And the Dow is a, and this Dow long, of course, is a VIP trade. We'll see what happens. Other than that, I am, today I was possibly, well, of course that I was looking for US dollar longs. I didn't get any pullbacks though. After the break of the Asian session highs, there were no pullbacks, so I couldn't get in on any trades, right? So, yeah, I couldn't get in on any trades, on any pullbacks because there were none. And on the Japanese yen side, I'm fine, Ron. How are you? Good trading, mate. And on the Japanese yen side, well, it's pretty non-directional in my opinion. I'm not trading at the, what's my name? My name is Orlando, mate. Not trading, very non-directional, right? Not trading the Japanese yen right now. So let's wait until this little trades start to run. The S&P 500, the S&P 500, well, it's starting to run. So we are going to see some fire right here. Now gold, gold shorts were on the, we're on the radar, but we didn't get, or I didn't get the pullback that I needed within the Asian session range. I was targeting, this area right here. I don't remember exact. Oh, this is the 5-minute chart. On the 3-minute chart, I was targeting this zone right here. Didn't get the pullback that I needed in order to get in short on gold. Silver, I am actually silver is looking very differently than gold. But I stopped trading silver because of the wide, spreads here. Longs on GU. Let's have a look. No, I hate this. I hate this. I have no setup here to go long. There's no real break. I'm not. Hear me out. Yeah, this thing. Yeah, I agree with you, Tim. I agree with you, Tim. So hear me out. Um, run, right? So this will be a counter trend trade, right? But I don't have a setup prior to this move, right? Well, I look for my setups here. And on the Dow, for example, I do have it right here. I'm not gonna go into what I'm looking at for for counter trend, counter trend trades because I'm not gonna give up my entire strategy for free, right? But yeah, I don't have a setup on the GU. Uh, um, this is very. See, I was looking for possible shorts on the Euro US dollar today after the break of the Asian session range. There was no pullback though, so no trade for me. US30 longs running hot. No, right now in a drawdown, and my S&P 500s at break even. But it's okay, mate. We will see what happens, right? This is a game about probabilities. It's impossible to be right all the time, 100% of the time. It's a game about probabilities, and you know, it's a game about probabilities and risk management. So possible, yeah. I mean, I'm digging this. I'm digging this reversal print right here on the Japanese yen. That's why I'm looking at Japanese yen basket or Japanese yen pairs. Um, Possible shorts on those pairs. GU, GJ. You're short on the Dow from 74872. 74872. 74? What? 7. How can you? 74? 872. So all the way from up here. Well, congratulations, mate. You might as well get your money worth from that trade because this is, the Dow just broke with the structure again. This is the last zone that I would expect the Dow to hit its reversal. If not, I'm going to get stopped out, which is fine. The S&P 500, yes, this is a trade I placed with the swing trading group, mate. This is on the swing trading group. This is the setup on the S&P 500. This is my first targets on the S&P 500. Then we're going up. All right, so looking back at that Jew, I'm going to play some shorts here, very, very low. Possibly placing some shorts. I'm still undecided about that. Yeah, so possibly we'll get stopped out on my Dow longs after the break of that zone. I don't know yet, right? But it's looking like I will, and both on my S&P 500 too. So let's wait and see what happens. GJ, yeah, I'm gonna play some shorts here. Possibly looking at this zone for some shorts on the GJ. Now this would be a very good for first target 3R. If we wait for the entire move at 6R, but I need a close of a couple of 3-minute candle seals. All right, let's wait and see what happens here with U.S. equities, guys. Yeah. We have absolutely nothing. Well, it's Tuesday. Hold on. Yep, we get that reversal right there on the S&P 500. We have nothing here on the US side. Let's have a look at the F1 strategy. Yeah, beautiful trade short on the F1 strategy Euro USD. Now the F1 strategy caught that short on the Euro USD. That's awesome. On the GU, perhaps again, same thing. Very nice, very nice. All of these shorts were caught by the F1 strategy. Just have a look at this. Beautiful, beautiful day for the F1 strategy. This New Zealand dollar, US dollar hit targets for a 3.3R. USD CAD also, wow, USD CAD hitting big on the F1 strategy. So if you are looking at 5R, if you're looking into the F1 strategy, I am pleased to announce that we are going to open a new subscription, right? Where it's going to be very cheap, right? It's only for you to have a taste of the F1 strategy. It's going to be about 20 pounds a month, but and it's going to be a group. But you're only going to get a couple of F1 strategy trades or signals per week, just so you have a taste of the F1 strategy, and you can decide if you want to buy it or not. Right? So you're going to get three, at the most three signals, F1 strategy signals per week. So this will be launched this week. Big reversal here on the S&P 500. Let's go back to that DJ. Possible shorts on the DJ. I'm really not convinced. Even though we got everything that I wanted. Yeah. This market is looking super bearish, so I think I'm not going to place this short. Even though my entry model dictates that I should. But the thing is this: I am looking at possible longs on the Japanese yen basket, right, with this move, and I really, well, you know what? There is kind of a pullback long here. We'll see. I'm not confident on this trade, so I'm not going to take it, but I'm going to monitor it and journal it because it's ticking all the boxes. We'll see. We shall see. You know what? I'm going to stay true to my entry model. Perfectly spot on. I'm going to stay true to my entry model. So, yeah, I'm going to place it. With very minimum risk. That's it. Oh, shite. What? All right, with very, very minimum risk. Just a second, guys. I am going to give you, yeah, just for being here, the, I need to place this myself. Just hold on. It's a 6.3R. All right, got triggered. I don't know if I am going to continue with it, but you know what? I got triggered, so I might as well just send it to the VIPs. All right. So I got triggered. Well, why don't you send me that trade, mate? Let's have a look at U.S. equities. Well, both U.S. equities long now in the money, mate. Good. Let's see if we can hold this short on the GU. On the GU. All right. Any questions, guys? Because if you don't have questions, I will, shut my stream short. I am going to invite everybody. What's your take on gold? Gold for the coming week? I don't know. Let's have a look. Ooh, there you go. There you go. Beautiful. You shall not give into emotions and close your trades early. That's what I say. You can quote me on that. All right, so gold on the few weeks, next few weeks. This is the 4-hour chart in gold. All right, so I don't know. This is looking very bearish still. Now, if you look at here, we have that break of the structure to the downside, right? Here's that massive, another break of the structure here to the downside in gold, all right? Now, this is the last break of the structure. The high that would determine a shift in the bias long term in this market is this one right here. Now here's where that change of character should be placed. Long gold, right? That's crazy on the 4-hour chart, right? All right, Run. Thank you. Yeah, Christopher, that's exactly what I'm looking at here, mate. Continuation of the downtrend of the down movement. Now let's have a look if we can catch those shorts for a nice swing trade. So on the hourly chart, right? On the hourly chart, we got that. I'm going to get rid of this, indicator. Don't need it anymore. Just oh boy, beauty, beauty, beauty. Remember, we're on the hourly here. So everything is looking phenomenal on that counter. So gold, all trades running hot. But let's see if we can catch it, Christopher. For everybody just joining, if you want to chat with me, just subscribe to the channel, hit the subscribe button. It's free, and it's right fucking there. So here we have that break of the structure to the upside, right? Remember, we're looking for shorts, gold shorts, for a nice swing trade. Now, could this be in fact that, yes, this is in fact where the market shifts, the break of the next lows right here. This is where I'm looking at as a possible change of character, right? A change of character is simply a change in the bias of the market, right? You need to, this is just reading price action, right? The market was breaking with the structure to the upside, right? New highs, etc. So if we're looking for long shorts, if we're looking for shorts on the long term, we possibly might have to look for those change in character. And we sadly we missed the short entry mate after that happened. Spot on short right here. Spot on short right here. We missed it. So we are going to have to wait for a new pullback to enter short. The entry short in this market was here. Christopher, God damn it, I missed it. Targeting maybe those lows for a 6R. Yeah, I mean, it's the same entry model, works on the high time frames, on the low time frames, and time frames. All right, so let's go. Let's get back to business. 5 minute chart. This is my GJ for everybody just joining me. I got triggered short on the pound yen. Right now in a little bit of pullback, and I have this U.S. equities long running in profit. Right, those are my 3 trades right now. On the 3 minute chart, this is how my GJ short looks. This is absolutely a very aggressive entry, so I'm risking the minimum, which is 0.20% on this trade. This was sent to my VIPs as a very aggressive entry. I don't trade head and shoulders. I don't trade. Chart patterns, mate. That's not what I do because I mean, first of all, I hate them, and second of all, mate, I look at the market in probabilities, right? And the probability of of success of a head and shoulders is very, very low. So I'm digging this, S&P 500s and this Dow Longs. Big ass rejection here. I mean, a ton of buyers jumping in here. Why don't we have a look at the? You're more than welcome, Christopher. At the fixed range on the volume profile, just to have a look where the actual volume is. Now, the actual volume just hit right here. This is quite concerning, in my opinion. Now, here, let's have a look. Now, the real point of control of the last leg from the highs to the lows is right here, where buyers jumped in. Now, should again price move below this point of control, we might be fucked on our longs on the S&P 500. On the Dow, same thing. That's the point of control, guys. We're hitting the very, very big volume area. So let's see what happens, right? Oh boy. Yeah, here's my entry. And on the DJ, I don't know. I mean, my DJs are in the money right now. So very low risk here, guys. If you just joined. Hey, William, how are you? If we just joined us, I am playing longs on the Japanese yen by going short on a very aggressive entry, might add, on the pound yen. Right, this was the only Japanese yen market that I had a short setup on. I only trade 3 Japanese yen markets, to be completely honest, and this is the one. Let's have a look at that trade from Rwanda. Um, so, yeah, you know what? I'm going to do some social media too. GU. Well, nice one, mate. Nice one. Let's have a look where you are at. Yeah, nice one, mate. I mean, Ruan is the only person that has. You cut that Dow trade, Tim. Well, that's fine. That's fine. That's completely and utterly fine, mate. You do what you do. I mean, you don't have to. I mean, you don't have to follow me 100%. The reason that I haven't caught it just yet is because of the data. You know, the data shows me that I used to do that, right? I used to do that. I used to cut my trades short, mostly on U.S. equities. I'm talking about, right? So I already did the gold analysis, Stacy William, but I shall do it again for you, mate. But the data shows me that mostly on U.S. equities, we are not going to get those clean moves right immediately that we are used to in, that we are used to in analysis in what? In currencies, mate. So I'm just leaving them. I'm just trusting the process now. DJ's looking good. We are in the money on those DJs. This one I'm going to trail aggressively though because it's a very very aggressive short entry, guys. I understand, but we are, of course, mate. So again, gold for the newcomers. We were talking with Christopher, mate. We were talking with Christopher about this market. Looking at the 4-hour chart, it's looking very short, very bearish, very, very bearish. So, yeah, so the reason that we are looking for shorts is because we got that break of the structure again to the downside here. Another break of the structure to the downside. Complete and utterly bearish this market is. I don't know why I just sounded like Yoda. But, and the real high that we need breaks from in order for a shift along in this market would be this one. And we are very, very far away. Now, looking at that, on the hourly, I was telling Christopher that I missed my entry because I didn't saw it. I wasn't looking at the higher time frames in gold, to be honest with you. My entry would have been here, right here, spot on sniper short entry. This would have been my entry short in gold. At least to this liquidity for a 6R. My trade would be running at around, let's call it 1.8R right now. So, yeah, I'm looking for shorts and shorts only in gold. And I am going to look aggressively for shorts again. Mohan, best way to trade is by using data candle patterns and trend lines are BS. Yeah, trend lines don't work. I don't know what data candle patterns are, but yeah, everybody trades its own thing, right? The best way to trade is the way that makes sense to you, and that's my humble opinion. Yeah, it was a great set. I didn't take it because I missed it, mate. Woo! GJ Shorts. All right, so U.S. equities, again, heavy on the short side. I'm sorry, my allergies are acting up. We'll be right back, guys. I'm sorry about that. So yeah, if I get stopped out on my U.S. equities longs, that's fine. That's completely fine. This is a game about probabilities, and like I told you, probabilities and data, and that's it, and risk management, and that's it, and that's it. Why is the dollar so strong, mate? I don't know. Who, who the fuck knows? Man, I haven't had the chance to look into I'm just kidding around, right? Ah, data candle patterns. Exactly, mate. Uh-huh. You forgot a comma. I understand now. All right, so I haven't had the chance to look at macroeconomic data on the U.S. Now, just looking at my GJ shorts and looking at the Japanese yen here, um, you know, this is looking very good. But should the Japanese yen break with these lows, I'm out of the trade. Let's have a look at those Dow longs. Oh boy, Dow. Again, I am not cutting my trade short. I am respecting the process on this one's guy on this trades. You know, it's okay, Tim, for you, right? Because you don't have the data behind everything, right? Just following what I do blindly, may I add, which I appreciate the confidence in. But that's okay, right? Because I do have the data, right? And I've been looking at specifically the data on trades that I cut short because of this, and the data showed me that I had left a ton of money on the table. So if I get stopped out, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. GJs. These GJ shorts are looking phenomenal. Um, yeah, these GJ shorts are looking phenomenal. Just monitoring very closely that Japanese yen push bullish move that we need in order for this to keep dropping like a bomb, like a rock. I'm sorry. Mm. Ah, son of a bitch. All right, US30. I mean, big ass volume being traded here at the lows. Right now we can go either way, and that's a sad story. A sad story, in my opinion. Let's have a look at volume. I don't know what happened here. All right, volume just at the open. Um, let's see. We are way below that point of control. The Dow looking very sketchy. Might get stopped out on the Dow longs. On the S&P 500 side, we are right there at that point of control. This is looking much better than the Dow. But again, it can go either way. The GJ, still looking good. All right. So, if there's nothing more, I'll keep my VIPs updated on my trades. If you are not a VIP, you can just join my VIP group with the link below this video. If you're not a VIP, just monitor the Japanese yen not to break with these lows, because if it does, you should be out of that trade. Possibly will get stopped out if you are not following the VIPs because I am going to aggressively manage this trade, mate, because it's an aggressive entry. Let's have a look at these two markets at last. Yeah, that's me, guys. Thank you for joining me. I'll be here tomorrow again. Yeah, trade safe. Trust the process, and when I say trust the process, I'm not telling you trust me specifically, but I'm telling you that you should always have data backing your own trades, so you can trust the process, like I did here on this GBP Japanese yen short, right? So always back test to have enough big enough sample size data-wise, so you can make informed trading decisions. This is not about knowing where the market's going to fucking go. No one knows. No one fucking knows, right? This is about the data supporting your trading decisions in a profitable way, right? That's the whole story. Have a great day, Tim. Yeah, I'll be back tomorrow, mate. Of course, I'll try to do two shows on a daily basis from now on. I'll try. You know, I'm feeling much better. I mean, this that throat infection completely fucked me, but I'm back. So yeah, cheers, guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.